Welcome on my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll show how to make animated paper bird using HTML and CSS only. This project will include main container, bird's body, head, two parts of tail, and left and right wing, which will be made from two parts. So let's make it. Create index.html file and open an editor of your choice. I use VS Code. In body, create div with class container, div with class bird, bird body with class bird head, left wing. In left wing, add left wing edge. Div with class right wing with right wing edge and two part of tail, left part of tail and right part of tail. In order to save your time, I will not type everything because it will make this video super long. So if you want, you can always pause the video and check the code. This is a small project, so I add style into index.html file. So for this project, margin 0, padding 0. For body, height will be maximum height with display flex and overflow hidden. Everything will be centered with added off-white background. For container, margin top will be -90 pixels and added perspective 300 pixels. In this project, used a filter called drop shadow, which will be displayed 150 pixels down from the bird, and it will be almost see-through black color. Now let's save it, reload the page. Background color changed from pure white color to off-white color. For container, transform style, preserve 3D. So bird will be moving in more paper natural way, if this even makes sense. For bird, we will add animation called fly. Duration of animation will be 10 seconds and it will be linear infinity. For bird body, width will be 30 pixels and height will be 40 pixels with background light pink color. For this project, I've selected only pink shadows. You can choose any color combination that you prefer. After loading the page, bird body display correctly. I use zoom 200% because bird by itself will be so small that it will be hardly visible on the screen. For bird head, top will be -30 pixels with position absolute, add a transform origin and transform rotate X -22 degree with added border right transparent, border left transparent, border bottom 30 pixels, solid pink color. After reloading the page, bird's head display correctly. Next, we need to add wings. For left wing, height will be 30 pixels and left -30 pixels with position absolute and added transform origin. Animation will be called left, duration 1 second with added cubic bezier, with border bottom transparent and border right 30 pixels pink color. For left wing edge, left will be -30 pixels with same animation 1 second, just different cubic bezier. Next part, it is to add right wing. Right wing code exactly the same that left wing code. The only difference is this left -30 pixels for left wing and for right wing left 30 pixels. Animation exactly the same and border left will be 30 pixels while border bottom will be 10 pixels solid but transparent. After loading the page, both wings are displayed correctly. Next part, it is to add tail. Tail will be from two parts made. For left tail and right tail, top will be 40 pixels, position absolute, add a transform region, transform rotate X -20 degree, and added borders. Border for left tail and border for the right tail will be different. Reload the page. Next part, it is to add animation. Keyframes for animation called fly. When 0% transform rotate x minus 130 degree, rotate z 0 degree, and rotate x 10 degree. When it is 100%, the single difference will be rotate z, which will be going from 0 degree to 360 degree. This is how paper bird look with only one animation. Next, we will add animation for both wings. This is a keyframe animation for left wing. When 0% transform, rotate y minus 50 degree, and when it is 100, rotate y 50 degree. Save it. Next, we need to add animation for right wing. For right wing animation, the only difference will be that left wing and right wing will be moved constantly in opposite directions. So, on 0% left wing, rotate y will be minus 50 degree, but for right wing, rotate y will be 50 degree. Let's save it and see the final result. Reload the page. This is the final result. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Please consider subscribing. If you have any comments, you can write in comments and I will reply.